President Xi is a great leader of a great country, and I think we're going to have a fantastic relationship for a long period of time. And it's an honor to have you with us. Thank you very much.
I always believe that China's development goes hand in hand with your vision to make America great again.
Make America Great Again 呢一句出自美國總統特朗普嘅口就一啲都唔出奇，不過今次係透過英文翻譯出自中國國家主席習近平嘅口，係咪有啲罕有呢？另外，中國係咪已經掌握到美國嘅談判技巧？稀土問題上係咪鏈住美國條頸？今次特朗普話稀土搞掂咗啦，1年咁多啦，咁之後又會點呢？
咁所以而家真正嗰樣嘢會唔會係鏈到美國呢？短期內美國肯定會有呢個擔心，所以美國而家個策略似係我同你爭取時間。總之與此同時去睇其他有高蘊重量嘅國家同我合作。